If you opened X recently and felt like you were staring directly into the sun, you aren't alone. A sudden update has completely changed how the app handles its appearance, and for many, it's been a literal flashbang experience. Today, we're breaking down exactly what changed and, more importantly, how you can fix it. The trouble started with the release of version 11.70. Users woke up to find their carefully set dark themes replaced by a blinding white background. The feedback has been intense, with people reporting that the sudden brightness hurts their eyes and causes genuine headaches. Some users have even threatened to delete the app entirely because of this unnecessary design change. So, where did the settings go? In the old architecture, you could go to accessibility, display, and languages, and then display and manually toggle between dim, lights out, or using device settings. In the new update, that entire section has been gutted. Now, the only thing you'll likely see there is an option for font size, leaving the background controls completely missing. It isn't just a missing button, we've lost two major features. First, manual control is gone. You can no longer tell the app to be dark if your phone is set to light mode. Second, the beloved dim mode has been essentially buried for mobile users. It's now a choice between blind and white or lights out black with no middle ground. The app now strictly obeys your phone's master display theme. If your iPhone or Android is in light mode, X will be forced into light mode. There are no exceptions anymore. The app has surrendered its independent display settings to the operating system. This change follows a previous statement from Elon Musk, claiming that X would eventually move to dark mode only because it is better in every way. Ironically, the current update has forced many users back into light mode against their will, leading to accusations that the platform is being made worse intentionally. Since the official settings are gone, the community has had to get creative. If you're tired of the flashbangs, there are three main ways to fight back and get the lights back out. You have three options depending on your device. Technical comfort. The OS surrender. Change your entire phone's theme. Apple bypass. Create an iOS automation. And the webpack. Use browser extensions on desktop. Surrender to the OS. This is the easiest fix, but the most restrictive. By going into your phone's system settings and enabling dark mode globally, X will finally turn dark again. The downside? Your entire digital life must go dark. Every other app that follows system settings will also change. For iPhone power users who want their phone light but X dark, you can use the Shortcuts app. Create a personal automation for when the X app is opened. Add the action, so set appearance and set it to dark. Pro tip, make sure to turn off ask before running, so it happens instantly every time you tap the icon. If you use X on a computer, you actually have the most control. You can use the Dark Reader extension to force a dark theme, even if the site is set to light. Even better, a community member built xdim.app, a specific extension designed to restore the dead dim mode that we all miss. That is the state of the X flashbang fix. Have you embraced the light, automated a shortcut, or just deleted the app entirely in frustration? Let me know in the comments below.